Former President Rodrigo Duterte stressed that a presidential appointment certainly cannot overrule a law. This is in relation to the appointment of Maguindanao del Norte's governor by President Bongbong Marcos. Let's find out why with Sarah Santos.
Both of them are operating as acting governor. In fact, both of them are meeting their staff. Talaga nag-ooperate sila as governor. Nagkakaroon ng mga memorandum addressed to the employees. Pareho sila nag-ooperate. Ang problema lang, nag-ooperate sila pero walang lumalabas na pera. But they're functioning. Both of them are sitting as acting governors. Yung isa by virtue of the appointment by the president, and yung isa naman by virtue of the law.
Stalemate. This is what former President Rodrigo Duterte said in regards to the current situation in Maguindanao del Norte. The people of the said place are divided between Governor Aini Sinsuat and OIC Governor Abdul Rauf Makakua, who was appointed by President Bongbong Marcos in the month of April. In his program Gikan sa Masa para sa Masa on Ezemanay Thursday with Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy, the former president stressed that a presidential appointment certainly cannot overrule a law. Duterte's statement is in relation to Republic Act 11550, which states that whoever won the previous local elections in Maguindanao as vice governor will be the temporary acting governor of Maguindanao del Norte. According to Duterte, President Bongbong Marcos' appointment to OIC Governor Makakua is void ab initio. This means that it is to be treated as invalid from the onset.
Okay, Sal. I would direct this statement to the President. You know, Mr. President, I do not have the slightest intention to give you the advice, get it from your lawyers. I do not have the reason to lecture on you because you are the President of the Philippines. And the President is always right. That is a presumption para walang gulo. Now, if you do not want to follow the President, disagree with the President, you can file the necessary whatever action, pleading or suit in the courts. Start from the lower courts up to the Supreme Court. Now, between a presidential appointment and a law, the law will always prevail. Batas yan, Adre. How can you overcome a batas by a presidential appointment? You know that, maski first-year student ng law would tell you that the law should prevail. So ngayon, kung tanungin mo kung who has the better right, para sa akin, yung mga tao that were mentioned in the law. Because a presidential appointment cannot certainly overrule a law. They have, I think, the higher legal moral ground.
Former President Duterte stressed that before Maguindanao was divided into two provinces, there was already a provision in the law which states who will temporarily govern when Maguindanao del Norte is established. Due to this, there is no need for the president to appoint a governor. There may be special cases where the president has the privilege to decide by himself. However, this does not include appointing a governor in the said area. It can be remembered that Attorney Salvador Panelo recently advised OIC Governor Makakua to step down from his position, to which former President Duterte agreed.
Yung Pangulo, kaya ko naman tinatanong yan sapagkat I'm thinking na hindi na kailangan silang pumunta sa hukuman. Sapagkat narinig ko po si Ginoong Makakua sa video publicly, nagsasalita siya. Kinikwento niya kung paano siya na-appoint. At sinasabi niya na sa totoo lang, ayaw niya nga. Katunayan, sinabi niya raw kay Secretary Anton at kay Secretary Galvez na kung i-appoint niyo ako, siguraduhin niyo lang na wala tayong nilalabag na batas. Kaya nung marinig ko yan na wala siyang nilalabag na batas at hindi siya papayag, since may desisyon ng Korte Suprema na nagsabi doon sa Mandamos case na valid ang assumption ni Acting Governor Sinsuat, I was thinking, following his logic and his public pronouncement na hindi siya papayag na siya ay lalabag sa batas, I was thinking na pwede naman siya magboluntaryo na mag-step down para matapos na yung suliranin. At siguradong papalakpakan siya ng sambayanan ng Maguindanao del Norte.
In the end, this was the advice of former President Duterte to the camp of acting Governor Aini Sinsuat.
Kung bright sila, Sal, kung bright sila, kung nakinig sila ngayon, kung bright kayo, kayong tinamaan na andyan na ang pangalan mo na sa batas na as should be accessing the office of what? Kung bright kayo, kunin ninyo si Panelo Abogado. Shoot kayo.
For God and my beloved Philippines, this has been Sarah Santos, SMNI News.